Is your Wix website's header frustratingly hiding your precious content? Let's fix that header overlap with this quick and easy tutorial. First, open your Wix website in the Wix editor. Locate your header element. It's usually at the very top. If your header is overlapping content, you'll need to adjust its spacing. With your header selected, look for the settings panel if there's an option for margin or spacing. This is where you'll make adjustments often. A negative margin can cause overlap. The most common fix is to simply create more space. Grab the bottom edge of your header element and carefully drag it downwards until all your content is visible and no longer overlapping. You'll see the space between the header and the rest of your page increase. Notice how as you drag, the content below automatically shifts down. Or you can manually adjust the section below to create a consistent gap. The goal is to have a clean separation between your header and the very first piece of content on your page. Another place to check is your page layout settings. Click on Page in the top menu of the editor, then select Page Layout Settings here. You might find options related to header and footer margins or spacing that could be contributing to the overlap. Don't forget to check your site's responsiveness. Click on the mobile icon in the top bar to see how your header appears on different devices. Sometimes an overlap issue on desktop might look fine, but can cause problems on mobile. Adjust the header spacing within the mobile view as needed. Once you've made your adjustments, click the preview button to see your site as visitors will ensure there's a clear, attractive gap between your header and the content below, all across your pages. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks, hit that publish button to make your fixes live. And there you have it, a perfectly positioned Wix header. No more overlapping content. Happy designing.